Now coming to fifth part. In fifth part we have 5 raised to the power 2 whole to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. So here we can see that we have two powers, okay? 5 raised to the power 2 and whole to the power 3. So according to the law, if a raised to the power m and whole to the power n, then we can multiply these two power, okay? So we can write it as a to the power m into n, which is mn. Now here 5 raised to the power 2 whole to the power 3. So according to this law, first we will write the base. Here base is 5. So we'll write the base and then power will be multiplied, right? So here 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now here we have same base, which is 5, and in between divide sign is there. So according to this law, when we have the same base but the power is different and in between divide sign is there, then powers will be subtracted, okay? So here see, according to this law, first we will write the base. So we'll write the base, which is 5 here, and then powers will be subtracted. So it will be 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So answer of the fifth part is 5 raised to the power 3. Now in sixth part we have 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 5. Here we have two different base but the power is same, which is 5, okay? So according to the law, when there is different base, okay, when there is different base but the power is same, then we can multiply the base, but we will have to put the bracket here. So we will multiply the base, means a into b is ab. Since both have power m, so we will write m one time, okay? So we will write, we'll just multiply the base here. So 2 into 5 whole to the power 5. 5 is the power of both, okay? Now 2 5s are 10 and power is 5. So answer of the sixth part is 10 raised to the power 5, okay? Now coming to next part. Now in seventh part we have a raised to the power 4 multiplied by b raised to the power 4, in which we have two different base but the power is same, okay? So if two different base is there, suppose a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m, in which two different base but the power is same, which is m. So we will just multiply the base and we'll write the power one time. So it is ab whole to the power m. Similarly here we'll just multiply the base. So a into b whole to the power 4. 4 is the power, okay? So we'll write the power one time. So a into b is ab, but we will have to put the bracket here, okay? So ab whole to the power 4. Now coming to next part. Now in 8th part we have 3 raised to the power 4 whole to the power 3. So here we have two powers. Here this 3 is the power of this exponential form. So here we have two powers. So when we have two powers, power of power, then we just multiply the power. Like here a raised to the power m whole to the power n. Then we will multiply the power. At first we will write the base and then we will multiply the power. So it will be a to the power mn. Similarly, we will write the base at first and then we will multiply the power. So 4 multiplied by 3. So here answer will be 3 raised to the power 12. Okay, now coming to 9th part. Now in the 9th part we have 2 raised to the power 20 divided by 2 raised to the power 15, and this is in the bracket. And then we have multiply sign, 2 raised to the power 3. So since bracket is there, so we will have to do this at first, okay? Now here we have two base and this is same. Since we have same base and in between divide sign is there, so same base and in between divide sign is there, then powers will be subtracted. So we'll write the base and then we'll subtract the powers. So it will be m minus n, okay? So here 2 raised to the power 20 minus 15. we will subtract the base and then we will write 2 raised to the power 3. Now 20 minus 15 is 2 raised to the power 5. 20 minus 15 is 5 and base is 2, so it is 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. Now here we have same base but in between multiply sign is there. So a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power m. So when we have same base and in between multiply sign is there, then powers are added. Okay, so by this law we will be solving this. We will write the base here which is 2 and then powers will be added. So 5 plus 3, so 2 raised to the power 8. Okay, now coming to the last part. Now in the last part we have same base and in between divide sign is there. When we have same base and in between divide sign is there, then powers will be subtracted. So when we have same base and in between divide sign is there, then powers will be subtracted. Okay, so according to this law, first we will write base which is 8 here, then powers will be subtracted, so it will be t minus 2. Now we cannot further simplify it, it will remain like this. So this was the last part of question number 1. Thank you students.